folks, welcome back. Didn't manage to get a video done at the end of the day yesterday, like I said I would. That was because I was trying to get a video edited and get that out, and I got it done in about 15 minutes before it needed to go live at 5 o'clock yesterday. It's a bit tight, so I didn't get a chance to do a video. Right, car park. It's wet today. Just have a swing round. I took the RS home last night. Don't really want to drive it in the wet, but there was no space here, so I had to take it home. This one was the one Ashley was working on. That was doing the chassis rails, under seal, ABS light problem. ABS is proving to be a bit of an issue on that. We had problems with the fault codes, did what it was telling us to do, and that worked. But now it's gone over for the MOT, past the MOT. On the way back from the MOT, the ABS light came back on, so he's going to have another look at that this afternoon. What have we got here? This one, Roy's going to get that one in and try and get the chassis rails done today. He's going to mission it, and so he's going to stay as late as it takes to get it done, so good on Roy. We're waiting for door top mouldings for that, which I'm hoping is going to arrive today. Bumpers, etc. are coming back today for this, so that's going out tomorrow. I think that's really all we've got to talk about out here. That one, we've done the clutch. Is that the clutch one? No, that's servicing stuff. That's the one that failed the MOT, and we'll be looking at that as soon as we can to get the sill and arch done. If you remember, that was on, I think that was on Grant's ramp. He was finishing off the service and that on it. It's rear sill and arch. That's the clutch one, and we're waiting for roofs because they're not turning up either. It's a bit of a pain at the moment. I rung them yesterday. I've got various roofs on order, and they're not turning up, which is a bit annoying. I think that's everything outside really that needs mentioning. We've been struggling this week to keep up. Gets like that sometimes. Right, this one here that Roy's working on. This was, if you remember, this was one that was outside that we were saying we were going to put up for sale. Well, someone gave us a call from the videos. Hang on, music. Right, Ash? Yeah. That's not a COVID sneeze, is it?
No, that's a hay fever sneeze.
That's right.
Right, shush.
Right.
Shut up with your face.
Nothing. Right. Yeah, this one. This is the one. Yeah, someone rung up before any of those videos have even gone out. We've mentioned this in a few videos that it's coming up for sale, but as we say, the videos are a week and a half to 2 weeks behind actually going out. So in the meantime, we had that silver Mark 1 that someone else was interested in. They rung me to say, is that still available? It's gone. So I said, we've got a Mark 2, and he's come down and had a look at that, and he's decided to buy that. But the agreement was we were offering it for two prices. Either, I think it was $1,200 as it was, or $1,700 with a new MOT, and he opted for that. And we told him we'd do the chassis rails. We've done an exhaust as well, haven't we? Oh, that was a good timing. just breathe that in.
Yeah. I kind of expanded here. Yeah, done exhaust as well.
Yeah, well, the exhaust was, is it gone, was it?
Yeah,
so exhaust was pretty ropey around the joint, so we just changed that. And it's going over for MOT now, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll take it in a sec,
Yeah. And then you're going to mission out another set of chassis rails.
Where do we go tomorrow?
Cheers, Roy. Right, Ash has got this silver one. This has been in one of the other videos. This is one that's going to need full seals. Got that, you remember you've been arguing with that Mark II outside all week, haven't you? Yeah. I've said about the ABS stuff on that. This one missed the videos just because it just missed. Yeah. It missed. I did mention it outside actually. It had a bit of rust up here on both sides. That's been dealt with. And its screen was removed, it went over for paint, came back, and the new screen was fitted yesterday. Ash is putting it back together, ready to go out tomorrow.
Yep.
Good. And then you're going to get that one in. Oh no, are you doing that, Chris, the ABS one?
Well,
You look.
I'm trying to find Jones' key. Anyone seen it? Has anyone seen Jones' key?
Is he making a mixtape?
It's got this. It's got quite a large key ring, so it's really hard to like lose.
Are you about
Where
to...
did you last see it?
I don't know. I'm trying
Are
to
you
find
about
it
to
now.
start
But
your
it's
rap?
really hard to lose because
Who does it
Jones.
belong to?
Joan, I think Joan.
Joan.
Yeah.
Right. Have a look.
We have a little bit of it. I mean, Joan is a good customer of ours, and that's her car key ring, which we just find hilarious. Yeah. So yes, I'm going to be bringing Jones in, and I've also got to look at the ABS one. So Jones got a headlight issue, and the headlights are doing that constantly. Yeah.
There's something else in that as well, wasn't there?
She said front brake pads. It's an advisory, so I'm going to check to see how low they are,
okay.
because every MOT's tester on what's low and what isn't low can be different. She doesn't do much mileage, so we'll see if she can leave it till her next service or do them today.
Okay.
And then got the Laguna blue one to put back together.
Yeah, we're waiting for a roof for that one as well, aren't we?
Talking of roofs, did you?
No, should we go and have a look at your
Yeah,
roof?
let's go and have a look. So
We'll come back to Grant in a minute.
last night I worked late on my car. I've had some run on it, but I also wanted. I've been waiting for this, and I wanted to put a new roof on it. I decided to go with. Should we speed up a bit, or are you just gonna?
I'm following you.
Right, Joan. Can you say hello to YouTube?
No, don't put me on.
I was just telling everyone about your key ring.
That's ours.
Taz.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you going to sell it?
No.
No.
Nice, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
We're selling the black one.
Pardon?
Selling that black one.
I noticed. Yeah.
For us to be tempted to sell that, the figure would probably have to be around 17 grand.
That's high. That's higher than I thought.
Yeah, but I don't want to sell it.
Oh, okay.
And even then, I think I'd be like, nah, don't want to.
It's a nice colour.
Yeah, it
Hmm.
is. Yeah. It's an RS.
That matches in as
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's a good car.
Nice. Nice. Oh, it's always a treat when it's funny. I love it.
So I've put a new roof on my car, and let us know what you think. But I've decided to go with a Bill Grundy colour. It's getting wet now, so I'm pretty pleased how it's how
I'm trying to get it in shot. Okay. That might be the fun now.
Yeah. So yeah, I think I undenied about this for a long time because I was like, is it going to be too much? Would it complement the car? Would it sort of like not look right? And I think it's alright. I'm pretty pleased with it.
It's nice.
It
Around the
goes-
rear window, isn't it? This one.
Yeah, so this one's got a sort of cap on the inside, and this one, these roofs are the new ones that we're going to be supplying on the higher spec ones. So we're still going to do our normal range roofs.
Normal ones are here, price-wise. These ones are
Yeah, these are a lot more expensive.
up there somewhere.
But the difference with these ones, these have a lifetime guarantee on the window not coming out. So yeah, there is a massive difference in price. So there's nothing wrong with the roofs that we exist in do. With they still work. It's just obviously there's no guarantees with like the windows not falling out on a lifetime guarantee. So they have an expected lifetime span, but the difference with these ones is that if you just want a roof where you know the window at no point in the future is going to come out, then this would be the roof for you. Fitting wise, it went on really nice. It was really good. Couldn't fault it in any way at all. So yeah, new roof.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. And it blends in with my that's it.
No.
My red interior.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a burgundy roof, not a red roof. I thought red would be
Too much.
yeah.
Yeah.
It wouldn't look right, but I don't know. I think maybe it's hard to sort of give this car some elegance just because of the way that it is. I think if this was like on a stock, I think this would look good on the S Limited.
Yeah, it would. Let's put it on there. Looks crap on your car. We'll swap them over.
So, but I think like, you know, it give it that bit of elegance. 'Cause I think
Yeah.
that S Limited is like
Yeah.
it's like a posh MX5. We were talking about this the
Yeah.
other day. I think it looked nice.
Alright, you're waiting for the bumpers for that as well, aren't you?
Yeah, I've
Got a busy day.
Paint shop. Cool. Yeah, I have. I need to get on.
You stop talking to
I need to get the bumpers.
YouTube
on that.
people.
I've got to get the Laguna Blue put back together. I've got to sort the ABS fault out on this, and I've got to sort the lights out on Jones' car.
Right, I'm gonna. Cheers, Chris.
Yeah.
I'm gonna. Let's see. Grant's. He's trying to get this service. And what have you done on this one, Mr. Grant?
Oh, Mr. Garth. Hello.
You alright?
Yeah, very good, thank you. You?
Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah.
Good, good.
Servicing
Yeah.
and new disc and pads
And new disc and pads, yeah.
and an underseal.
Under seal. Yeah.
Underseal's going to be. There's going to be holes in that. Here's torch.
The torch.
Yeah, so that's the area on Mark III's you have to look out for. That will probably turn into a hole when that's cleaned up. Possibly that side as well. So, I guess I'm going to be calling a customer.
Where are you going to call them?
Bob. Cheers, Grant.
Alright, see you later.
Let's have a look upstairs because we did that. We had a look at that in the last video. I think Ollie has almost got it sorted out up there now. So I'm less embarrassed to show you. Look at that. So he's going to be going through, finding out exactly what we've got, and updating the website really, because the website's okay, but there's a lot of stuff we have that never gets to it. Either it just ends up here in the abyss, or people end up buying it when they come in, you know. So, which is okay, but we do need to sort of be more proactive on the website. It's okay. I mean, the website really, the sales on the website was first of all just because we had so much stuff and it was getting in the way. So when we did the first website with the shop on it, it was a case of, well, we might as well try and get rid of some of this stuff because it's got a value. We don't want to throw it away, but it's getting in our way. So yes, that's when it. And then we redid the website earlier this year, and it's a lot better. And Ollie's been brought in to just keep on top of it because I can't. I've got too many other things to do, like editing videos. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.